Okay, welcome to HTML tutorial number 3, following on from number 1 and 2. Next little bit of things for us to muck around with. We're going to do a few things up here in the head of the page, and what they are is meta tags, and there are 3 ones that I want you guys, assuming you're my year 10 plus, want you guys to learn, and they are firstly the one for the description meta tag. Okay, so meta name equals the meta, oh, that's not how you spell, oh my goodness, that's not how you spell, just messed it up, sorry guys, name. So the first meta tag is the meta tag for the description of the page, so it's just a little bit of a heads up. Oh, this is, sorry, I hit the delete key instead of the backspace key and muddled up my beautiful tidy formatting. Okay, firstly the description of the page, so you just do this. I don't know the ins and outs of it, you just do it. And content equals, so this, what we're putting here is a bit of a description of what my page is about. So I guess turtles, page about turtles, and the word hello. We seem to have a lot of hellos and hellos. I have no idea what the plural of hellos is. It probably isn't one, never mind. We'll live with that. Oh no, I can't bear weird spelling. Okay, it's just a page about turtles for simplicity's sake. It's dropped itself down to a second line. I didn't tell it to do that. If I stretch it out, it'll jump back across. Okay, that's the first meta tag you need to put in as you get more advanced. The second one is going to be similar, starts off the same, but this one's keywords. And this kind of tells search engines what to look at, what to look for. And this time I want them to look for, if someone was searching and I wanted them to find this page, I'd want people who were searching the word turtles to find this page. I'd want people who were searching the word Marist College, maybe. It's people from our school if you really wanted to find this web page. There's not much else if you were searching the word hello, I could make it that you find this page. Okay, so I've put in 3 search terms. Because this page isn't actually going live on the internet, Google won't be able to find it, so they won't be able to look for those 3 words in it, but that is kind of what you put in there, the words that you want Google to look for when people search for them, for your page, and find your page. Okay, the third one is, oh dear, formatting's gone wonky. Go back to that nice straight line, keep everything orderly. This one is the author, and this is where I say who I am. And my name is Miss Ronald to you. Okay. Oops, better spell my own name correctly. And save. And if I do refresh my page, nothing's going to happen because all of those things, they're up in the head of the page. Which should look like that. They don't actually show up on the page. They're sort of behind the scenes tags that do different things. Okay, so that is done. Let's get on to something fun, which is the color, the background color. One of my favorite things is making my page all different random colors. Now there's a tag, and the tag is, oh, I'm going to show you how to find tags if you don't know where they are or what they are. Because this is what I do all the time, because I can't possibly know every single HTML tag that there is. So what I do, I've got a few favorite websites I go to, but I'll just see what happens if I search HTML tag background color. Now I've spelt color the American way, just be aware of that because I think I'll get more hits that way. And what am I getting? Oh, my favorite HTML reference site is W3 Schools. So what do they say? If I click on that, it's going to give me, oh, and it gives me some code even. This is the tag I'm after. Oh, okay, so it's inside the body tag, and it's BG color. Oops. I'm not going to copy and paste it, although I could, but I'm teaching you good habits. It's good initially to type things yourself, so I'm not making a new tag after all. I'm going to put it inside the body tag, and it's BGCOLOR, remember American spelling, equals, now they have, oh, speech marks, they have used hex coding for colors. I'm going to start off showing you the simple way, which is, what's a color that's not too ugly? Blue. Let's give it a whirl. Save the page. I'm not using hex colors initially. Save the page, go back to my web page, reload it, see what it's done. Oh my goodness, headache. Okay, let's try green. Save. reload. Oh, almost as bad. Okay, if I got carried away and I wanted to use hexadecimal colors, that's kind of cool. They're all, I could look them up online, but I'm just going to experiment. They always start with a hash, and they are actually, I'll start with 0000000. They have 6 digits, not 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that will either be white or black. I can never remember. Let's try it. Okay, that was definitely black. And at the other end of the scale, we should have white, which will be F. Save, refresh, and it's white. Now, anywhere in between here, they're kind of in sets of 2. So the first 2 I can never remember, but it'll be red or blue or yellow. Let's try it. Let's put that one down to 0, and the other 2 are still fully turned on. That'll give us a color. Oh, go away, cancel. That's not what I meant to click. Okay, save and refresh. Oh, that's kind of cool. What happens if we make that one be back to FF? Oh, sorry, I didn't make them capitals. We'll see if that makes a difference in a minute. And 0's in the middle, save. F5. I'm kind of doing this back to front because like FF is fully turned on, so that color and this color are fully turned on and that one's fully turned off. How about we turn them all to 0 except the last one? That'll give us a better idea. Now I'm just playing, as you can see. That's alright. It's a good way to learn. Oh, okay, so the last 2 digits will be the amount of blue on the page. The first 2 digits, oops, will be the amount of what? Ah, red. Okay, so the middle 2 I'm guessing will be yellow, because red, yellow and blue kind of makes sense. I'll turn those first 2 down to 0, the next 2 up to, oh, okay, so that's saved. F5. Oh, what? That's green. Okay, I obviously don't know much about color theory, but I do know that you can fiddle with all these numbers and you can get a huge variety of different colors. And if you really want to, you can just go into here, onto the internet, and type in here hex color chart and see what we get. It's possible I should have gone to Google Images. Oh, all of these are color charts, and within these color charts, oh come on, visit page. I need a much bigger view of it than that. Come on, internet, you can do it. Don't be so slow. This is a color chart, and see the 6-digit number under each color. That's the hexadecimal code, so you can actually just do it that way. Anyway, back to what we're doing. That is how you change the background color of your page, and font colors you can change as well. And if, I'm going to have a guess that the font tag, it's font. Now this is where I'm not sure. Color equals, let's just see what it does. I'm going to say red, and I need, after the word hello, I need to close the font. So between, I've got the open font tag, the close font tag, and just the word hello in the middle. So let's see if I've done that right. It'll work on my page. If I haven't done it right, oh, it worked. It came out red. Okay, so you can also change the color of your writing. So in this video, we have done these meta tags up there. We've done page color. We've done font color. I do think maybe that's enough. Okay, end of tutorial.